Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download Arc Raiders on your PC or laptop, step by step. First, you'll need to download Steam, the platform where you can buy, install, and play games. Go to store.steampowered.com, download the Steam app, and create your free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're signed in, go to the search bar at the top and type Arc Raiders. Click on the first result. That's the official game page. Now scroll down until you see Buy Arc Raiders. Then click Add to Cart. You'll see two options, Purchase for myself or Buy as a gift. Choose Purchase for myself to continue. Next, select your preferred payment method from the drop-down menu. It could be PayPal, credit card, or any other option available in your region. Once you've made your selection, click Continue and follow the checkout process to complete your purchase. After your payment is confirmed, Steam will automatically start downloading and installing the game for you. When the installation is complete, go to your library, click Games, and you'll find Arc Raiders listed there. Finally, click Play, and that's it. That's how you download Arc Raiders on your PC or laptop, quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.